everyone, welcome to Online Lecture. This video is intended to show you how to do just that and be successful. So first thing is I want you to know how to get to the slide sets that we're going to be working on before we get started with online lectures. So here is our Canvas homepage. I'm going to scroll down to where we can find the slides, which is called in the Quick Links module, the lecture slides and YouTube links. So we're going to click on that. As I make the slide sets and publish the videos, I'll put all of the things that you need here. So Intro to Online Lecture, that's the slides we're working on. So that's the slides we're going to go to. And so as these load up, this is exactly what we're going to be talking about. Intro to Online Lecture. So what I want you to know here is the first thing is that this is Google Slides. So this is a live document. So if I notice any errors or anything as we're going through class, or there's things that I want to add, I'll go back and add them so that you have those changes in real time. And that's something I really like about this class, is that we get to be a little bit fluid because stuff is changing, especially physiology-wise, all the time. So that is cool. A couple of things that I think that you should know is that you can download these slides as a PDF, as a PowerPoint document, however you like them, or you can just print them out on your own. And I really think that you should do that to be successful, and I'll get to why. So that's the how to get to the slide sets part of this video, but how I'll normally be working through videos with you is actually I'll have my iPad and I'm going to draw and write and talk about the slides. I like to doodle, and so I like to do that when we do our videos. So I'm going to actually pause my recording and head over to the iPad so you get like the real vibes. So I'll pause it and I'll be back. Okay, so this is how lecture will normally be. I'll be talking to you. I have my iPad here with me, and I have my little notes app open on my iPad so I can like use my little laser pointer. We can draw some pictures if we want to. Just like I would have a whiteboard, I would draw on the slides like this, okay? And the app I'm using, in case you're curious, is GoodNotes, but use anything that you like. A pen and paper is totally fine too. In fact, that's what I prefer. If I'm not teaching, I like a pen and paper, but that's a side story about me. Okay, so Introduction to Online Lecture, how to be successful. And so here I've just imported the slides into my notes app, or printed them, or had them accessible to me in some way. And the purpose of making online lectures for you is so that it's not boring. I'll try not to be boring. You all know me by now. I talk with my hands a lot, and I'll do that on the video too, even when it's the middle of the night, because that's when I can record these videos. That's what I'll do, just so I can keep your attention. And I'm not trying to add stuff that I don't care that you know. I want to show you, like I say here, I want to show you the important stuff, the stuff that you need to know, the stuff that's relevant, and the stuff that's going to show up on exams. That's what I want to show you. So a lot of this looks like diagrams from the textbook. We'll draw flowcharts together that will come back and help us understand larger topics. And a lot of this will be done through drawing together, both online together and in the lab. So when we are in person together, we'll also do lots of drawing together. So just be prepared. But like a stick figure, totally good. We like stick figures. All right. And while those are my goals, I have some hopes for you. While you're watching these videos, I really hope that you'll work hard to stay with me. I don't know if you're anything like me, but when I used to watch online lectures, and I say watch online lectures when I didn't really, because I was like folding laundry, catching up on Emily in Paris on YouTube, or like whatever I was doing, I really want you to stay on track. I want you to treat this like a real lecture. I want you to take notes and engage and think about big questions, because I will hold you to this material because I think it's important, and also because the program you're going into also thinks this material is important. And so just remember that I'm trying really hard to keep your attention and to make it not boring. Trademark, patent pending. I'm just joking. But just so you know those things, those are my hopes for you. And here are some of my tips and tricks so that you can do all of those things. I want you to download or print the lecture slides before you start those videos. You don't need to go to Kinko's and print beautiful color images. Please don't spend that money. You can actually print on campus at the LRC, for example. There's tons of places that you can print on campus. So if you need help with that, please come talk to me. You don't need to print them if you're not like a printing person. So we can talk about those things if that's something you're interested in, but a notebook, your iPad, your laptop, something that you're going to use to take notes. That would be really, really great. I really think that you should use your preferred note-taking method. If this is your first semester trying to take notes on an iPad and it's really not working for you, don't do it. Use a pen and paper. Or if using pen and paper is really not working for you, do something else. Talk to me about this because we have some programs on campus to help you. So use that and take notes during lecture. I really, really want you to be successful. And then this is the hard part, I think. With asynchronous classes, it can be hard to set aside time each week to actually do the lecture videos. And I'm trying to incentivize you for doing this by embedding some questions in these videos so that you're awarded points for watching the lecture videos. That's trying to keep your attention, that's trying to make it not boring, and I'm also trying to incentivize your attention here. So please set aside some time. You can absolutely leave and come back. Totally. And please watch the videos whenever you have time. And I've assigned some deadlines so that we can stay on track, so that you stay with me. That's one of the things I hope for you. And please come back to the video assignments because I've added some concept check questions, but also you can come back to the YouTube links because I'll post those and you can just go straight to the YouTube video. Watch me on 2 times speed or slow me down. It doesn't matter to me. Make it work for you, okay? Oh, and that's my next point, is speed me up, slow me down, whatever you need to do. There's ways that you can make this video, like rewind me all the time, turn on closed captions. Auto captioning is a little bit hit or miss, but I'll try to go back and edit the funny things as much as possible. Okay, I really want you to be successful in this class, so this is why I'm making you watch this video. And this is the last slide. Finally, please remember that online lecture is still lecture. It's still part of class. I want you to watch the videos. I want you to be present. I want you to pay attention. And importantly, I want you to ask me questions. You are not a pro. I am not a pro. We are learning together. This is my first time making tons of YouTube videos. So I don't know, like and subscribe, I guess. I don't know. I'm going to stop the video now.